We are pleased to show you the 2018 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, FWD, LED headlights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.